পুজোর ঘরে কে? আমি কলা খাইনি।
पूजा घर आके खाओ, मैं कल खाऊंगी.
It's been cathartic for me, you know, and it does not mean that I come from exactly where Shagor comes from. I do not come from his experiences. I do not come from his socio-economic strata. I do not come from the same place where Shagor is coming from. But at the same time, there's a lot that I can empathize with. Kaan taan le, mathao ashbe.
कान से नहीं दिमाग से सुनो.
कान से सुनो, दिमाग से नहीं. ठंडे दिमाग से सोचो. The fact that I was married, yes, I'm sure it
most ridiculous one.
And now that you see, I mean, I'm talking many years
sure,
back.
Sure.
Because I was married when I came to the industry, so this is too many years back, right? But so many actresses now have broken that, you know.
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. This, of course, is Khakee Bengal Chapter. And with the Bengal Tigers, Tigress, they're all amazing. Hello, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Exactly how I told them there also. Because in the show, like I told them, शेर टाइगर इतना बार मेंशन हुआ है कि आप ड्रिंकिंग गेम कर सकते हो उसके साथ. शेर को मार दिया, शवा शेर पैदा हो गया. There are many mentions. Am I wrong, Aadil?
No, absolutely not.
And I love it.
Correct.
Thank you. Getting all these fabulous actors and truly authentically representing the Bengali culture and actually the surrounding, जो कि I think बहुत missing है. We don't have shows like that. Very few come and go. So let's talk about that authentic representation of Bengali. What do you feel about it, Aadil?
Yeah, I'm a very new Bengali.
अभी आए हैं इस तरफ.
बना हूँ मैं.
सबसे ज़्यादा authentic यही है.
पर अब वापस नहीं जा सकते.
अब मैं वापस नहीं जा. अब मैं हो चुका हूँ बंगाली. All in for fuchka, all in for mutton kosha, all in for chicken roll, all in for jharmuri, everything. Bengali food is amazing.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Very well. So I think it felt fun. अभी आपको लगता है कि एक this is the best way to understand a culture also, right? Like for artists.
Oh yes. Because as an actor, I mean, we are lucky and fortunate enough to also visit places which generally are not so touristy. You know, when somebody from outside a city goes to a city, तो वो famous जगहों पर ही जाते हैं. But we've gone to the lanes and streets in north of Calcutta and everything, and so amazing. Calcutta has so much of culture, so much of character, and it's beautiful.
It's very individualistic, in a city, like it stands out.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Like अलग से, it will not be any by lane.
Somebody has said कि बंगाल अपने वक्त से 100 साल पीछे और 100 साल आगे दोनों एक साथ है.
The statement is so true that I can't believe.
Yeah.
So well said.
Yeah.
Chitrangada, I'm so glad we're meeting after a really long time. You know,
Thank you.
Always, right? But what I think is like I told you, I really enjoyed watching you getting this role after a really long time. And I will be very honest while saying it. I was like, can we please look at her from different lights? And I don't think the industry has been fair in that way. All actors go through it कि casting में stereotype हो जाता है या आपको एक ढांचे में डालने की कोशिश कर देते हैं लोग. But I think women go through it a lot. They have the age bracket to fight through. Either you're too young. Marital status to fight to.
Mother status, whether you have a child or not. Yeah.
Child or not. I want to know, fighting all those brackets and then finally getting a Khakee must be a little satisfying. And how have you managed to still remain so poised and not become bitter? Because you are not.
That's beautiful report.
Wow. Thanks, Rudrani. I mean, bitter? No, I don't think I'm bitter.
You are not. Not at all.
Yeah, you're right about that.
People can be, right? It's hard.
Of course, it's not easy. Yeah. And I think all those reasons, you know, the fact that I'm a mother and I probably also have a parallel life and I have been married. I think when you have all of that, it somehow feels like it kind of saves you. Yeah. Let's just say it saves you from a lot of, because this is not an easy place to be.
Sure.
You know that.
Yeah, 100%.
It is tough. It's competition, and especially if you don't have your roots here in the industry, you do make a lot of mistakes. There is no doubt about that. You do, you know. And that's how you learn. You can't possibly not make mistakes, you know, with what to do, what not to do, all the doubt, self-doubt. More than anything, I think what an actor suffers from is self-doubt. Yeah. So to save yourself from that self-doubt, I think your personal life, especially being a mother, I think that saved me from so much. I can't tell you. It's probably the best thing that I did for myself. So yeah, it's not easy. And Abhi, like just before you, there was the interview, we were talking, and she said, that the number of no's that you say, it's tough to say no to things. It's the hardest thing, especially for actors who are not getting the parts that you're looking for, which did happen to me. And like you rightly said, something like this has come after a very long time. I'm very thankful to Neeraj for casting me in this. But yeah, I mean, all you can do is sit and wait, that's the pain of the actor life, that you have to wait for the right thing to come along. It's not been easy, but like I said, if you don't put all your eggs in this one basket and you have another life that you look forward to, it kind of keeps you afloat, I suppose, yeah.
But I feel like you're also this because she's this person in real life as well. Like sometimes you can just for it, you're like, पर वो तो कहते हैं कि दिखना तो पड़ेगा ना, तो कर लेते हैं. Like some don't have the privilege, at all to do that. You have bills to pay.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You pick up work for that, right? Like for actors. And then sometimes you can just be like, no, I will not let you do that to my career. कि नहीं यार, घर में बैठते हैं.
Like that's one of the reasons why I produced Soorma.
Yeah.
That's one of the reasons, because I wasn't working at all as an actor at that point. It was, I think, around 2015, 16 that it happened. And there was no, the kind of work that I was looking for. And I came by this idea, and I sat and I wrote those 20-pager, and I was like, let's make this, this is interesting. And then of course we went to different, studios, and I was very lucky to get Sneha Rajani from Sony to, come on board and support me. Woman to woman kind of thing happened, I was very lucky for that. But yeah, it's not that I don't want to work. It's not that I love cinema. I breathe cinema. It's my, every which way I would want to be part of it. But yeah, it's like sometimes you don't get that kind of work offered, so then what do you do? It's just that, yeah.
And you fight many stereotypes to kind of land that one, right?
Yeah.
You must have heard a few things that like, this particular line that you hear, not fitting because of this.
Yeah.
And then you're thinking like, is that a reason?
Yeah.
Have you heard many of those?
I mean, the fact that I was married, yes, I'm sure.
Most ridiculous one.
And now that, you see, I'm talking many, many years
Sure,
back.
sure.
Because I was married when I came to the industry, so this is too many years back, right? But so many actresses now have broken that, So things are changing. There is a big change. It doesn't matter whether you're married, a mother, or, now it's like completely different place than what it was even 15, 12 years back. It's changed so much, yeah.
बहुत slow pace पे चल रहा है, पर हो रहा है. We have projects where I think they get opportunities, thankfully for OTT.
Yes, oh yes, big thanks.
We're all
to
here for
OTT.
that, isn't it?
Absolutely.
But I'm so glad because you're so good in the show.
Thank you.
And tricky होता है because you're asked to play a powerful woman, and then sometimes you want to go overboard with your power. Then I don't know if I'm you're
I know what you
exactly.
mean.
And then you come across as more aggressive, but
Yeah.
she's powerful.
Yeah.
But there's also a silence about that
Yeah.
power.
Yeah.
You see her emoting it through.
Very true. No, very true, actually. That's the one thing that, in fact, I was just saying that, they said when Neeraj and the director, and we sat right in the beginning, I think first or my second meeting, when they said that that's the thing about this character, that there has to be something in her presence. That idealism has to be in her. It's inherent. It's not like, oh, you've got this, marching with a flag and all of that. There's nothing dramatic about it. It just has to be within her, that, the passion, the fire, the pain, all of it put together. So yeah, that was actually written as well for the character.
I love it. Ritwik, you have again not really succumbed to, I think, the pressures that they put in an actor to be a certain way and all of that, and which is so interesting. I don't have to say it, but how wonderful he is in Bandish Bandits. I mean, just amazing. The show itself, what they pull off, right? You don't expect it from the show. That's the most thing. Once you're into the show, you're like, okay, this is so good.
Thank you.
It's interesting for you because एक बार आप खून चख लेते हो, उसके बाद क्या करोगे?
Literally also.
हाँ?
Yeah,
उसके बाद क्या करोगे? मीडिया को वर्क करना चाहोगे?
But I fully agree with you. ये तो बिल्कुल ये.
Sorry, yes, I shouldn't have asked it.
No,
it's a very correct thing for an actor.
एकदम सही बात कही है आपने कि एक बार आप खून चख लेते हैं तो फिर यहाँ आके literally खून चखने पे आ गए थे. यहाँ तो
चख ही लिया.
But it is, and I've always said this to every maker. I've actually said this to everybody at Friday Film Works also, that you guys are spoiling us. Like not only just by giving us the kind of reverence of being an actor and an artist, but also making sure that each of us get to explore our crafts in such varied manners, and the kind of casting they do. Like Aadil has done Shikara before this, where he's such a good guy and he's so, it was a complete opposite of what Ranjit
Even
is.
for him.
I come from this Gharana
Such a good
and this
boy in
Pandit
band.
ji.
Literally feel like doing it.
And to come here, just the way they think, the way they cast, the way they see artists and the way they give you a platform to explore your craft. Kudos to them. Kudos to Neeraj sir, Sheetal sir, Devatmala, Tusharda for bringing this
But
cast together.
that's the creative mind, I suppose. You know,
Yeah.
that is
To
why
see
they
it.
do the kind of work they do.
बट हाँ जी, एक बार खून चख लिया तो फिर वो तो हो ही जाता है कि अब तो सिर्फ अच्छा ही काम करना है, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे घर भी चलाना होता है। उसके बाद हमें खुद के बहुत खर्चे होते हैं, खुद को भी मेंटेन करके चलना पड़ता है।
Why
ऐसे
not?
काम पे आ गए हम।
It's okay. You get to have your whims and fancies.
Yeah,
थोड़ा बहुत तो।
absolutely.
Very
But
important,
actually, our profession itself is so whimsical that our regular stuff is whims and fancies for other people. This is like basics for us. We have to hit the gym.
Yeah.
We have to
Yeah.
look a certain way. We have to present ourselves a certain way. तो वो सब तो है ही। तो उन सब के बीच में किस्मत अगर खुल जाए और ऐसे कोई प्रोजेक्ट आ जाए हमारे पास and we get to play the kind of parts in a show like this, then it's just सोने पे सुहागा।
Massive in the way they have transformed your look also, and I feel like they've allowed you to play with, and your whole body language kind of changes. You had fun with it?
I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Many a times I've also said that this show has turned out to be also like a sort of, it's been cathartic for me, you know, and it does not mean that I come from exactly where Shagor comes from. I do not come from his experiences. I do not come from his socio-economic strata. I do not come from the same place where Shagor is coming from. But at the same time, there's a lot that I can empathize with. Like, I understand his ambitions, I understand his family values, I understand his ties, I understand his hurt, I understand his pain, I understand his anger. And I did not know that until I stepped into the shoes of Shagor. So thank God for him that I got to play this part, and I got to vent out a lot of things that I had no idea I was holding on to. And you know, many a times as professionals, as people, you just keep putting a lot under the carpet, you know, कि ये सब तो होते रहता है, ये तो होता ही रहेगा, and the more you're growing up, the more time you spend, and more experiences you have, you shove a lot under the carpet, you know, just to move on and like keep a smile on your face and like let's not ruin today's day. But when you get a part like this, you bring back all of that, you chado that carpet, you let it all fly, and just the joy of seeing it, you know, just sparkle instead of look like dust, it looks like fairy dust.
Wow.
And it's brilliant.
Well
It's the best thing to have.
लग रहा है ना बंदिश से के सेट से आ रहे हैं। बात में ही जादू। ऐसे
बस सितार बजने की देर है।
Sorry, Tanpura.
Sorry, yes,
Let's stay. Yes, we're talking. But also an opportunity for him to go out. मैं अंदर के पूरे बंगाली कल्चर को, मैं अपने रूट्स को सबको दिखाऊंगा।
Finally.
है ना?
हाँ जी।
उसमें तो यार like full blown national level पे हूँ मैं बंगाली।
That is true. And finally, in an interview, I don't have to sit and say, actually, I'm Bengali. Everybody knows now I'm Bengali.
Yeah.
Also technically एक चीज अंडरलाइन कर देती हूँ, देखा आपने उन्होंने अपने कैरेक्टर को शागोर बुलाया, सागर नहीं, ये सागर किनारे वाला सागर नहीं है, you know, I'm
बहुत ही गोरी शागोर है.
बिल्कुल, जैसे कि वो ऋत्विक भौमिक है,
Correct.
ऋत्विक है, ऋतिक एक्चुअली है,
ऋतिक
ऋतिक भौमिक है और ऋत्विक नहीं है जैसे मैंने कहा. पर so let's try seeing ना how you, let's teach all of you how their character names technically are pronounced in Bengali. आदिल जाइए बोलिए कैसे आपके नाम को प्रोनाउंस करते हैं.
रंजीत.
That's right. Got it?
रंजीत ठाकुर.
अब हिंदी में हम बुलाएंगे इसको रंजीत, रंजीत अंदर से. Let's go. Yours is very very wrong.
Nivedita Boshok.
Not bad.
Oh, I love that.
Absolutely. Nivedita. Nivedita. Like a little bit of ta.
Nivedita.
Absolutely.
And what is beautiful is that you also referred to in a dark naam where people call you Binni in the show. Nivedita is also called as Binni, and I love that. I love that little thing.
You know, both of you again, outsiders and
Hanji.
you know, making your own space here. कि आपकी भी खुद की ऐसी चीज़ें होंगी, स्ट्रगल्स है जो पार करके यहाँ तक पहुँचने की जर्नी होती है. अब तो शायद यू हैव द चॉइस कि हाँ मैं इसको ना बोल सकूँ, ये कर सकूँ, लाइक यू सेइंग द पावर ऑफ सेइंग नो, बट वहाँ तक पहुँचने की जर्नी भी इंटरेस्टिंग होती है. व्हाट इज योर काइंड ऑफ जर्नी बीन लाइक? इफ यू कैन एंड ऑन दैट नोट टू मेक पीपल अंडरस्टैंड.
It's been very.
You can talk about the things you said no to, the advices you said no to become who the person you are. You know, that's important.
I've definitely said no to projects many a times, but most of the times it has been because I'm not being able to be a part of it. You know, या तो dates अटके हुए हैं कहीं पे, या फिर I'm not in town, or then there is some. I'm a true believer of the fact that I need to balance my family life and my professional life. I cannot completely, if somebody says कि यार आपकी भाई की शादी उतनी important नहीं है, project आप कर लो, तो वो आप मेरे लिए decide नहीं कर सकते. मेरा भाई मेरे लिए कितना important है, किसकी शादी important, वो मैं decide करूँगा. तो मेरे लिए इस वक्त मुझे वहाँ जाना ज़रूरी है. So many times I've missed out on projects like that. But no regrets, absolutely no regrets, because I know for me where it's important to be at what point. And where I go from here, nobody knows. Even the person who's saying कि इससे तेरा life बदल जाएगा, he is also हवे में ही saying. उसको भी नहीं पता कि मेरी life सच में बदलेगी या नहीं बदलेगी.
For sure.
वो ऐसे ही बात कर रहे हैं. तो respect everybody's opinion. That is what I have done. Listen to everybody's opinion. That is what I have done. But I've done my own thing. I've really always done my own thing. And thank God, thanks to I'm a believer of destiny and I'm a believer of God. Thanks to them. And this universal power that there is everything has fallen into place so far.
Yeah.
And every time I felt like कि यार शायद मैंने गलती कर दी, एक span of time के बाद वो खुद ब खुद जवाब आ जाता है कि नहीं, सही हुआ, जो भी हो रहा है सही हो रहा है, अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. And that's how my journey has been.
What would you consider a struggle, if there has been any? Doesn't have to be.
My struggle mostly are emotional struggles.
Okay.
I find it a lot. I find it very difficult to deal with emotions many a times because I get overpowered by it, and that is where I struggle. But thank God for the profession that I've chosen, because I can use that struggle and then, as I said, channelize it in my work like I did in Khakee. And after a point, then you realize, "Kare, ab to halka mehsoos ho raha hai." So thank God I have this outlet as an actor. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. What about you, Aadil?
Yeah, I actually never planned to be an actor. It happened as life progressed. But I mean, I'm an Indian, and acting and cricket is something that runs in our blood.
That's true.
So when I got into it, when I was picked, I used to be a radio jockey before, and then Vidhu sir picked me for Shikara. And gradually when I understood, oh, what is the journey, what it is like to survive in this industry and everything, I understood that the more I'll keep it complicated in my head, the more it would be chaotic. So I tried to keep it simple. I thought that I'll focus on doing good work, believing that good work would attract good work. Because, you know, as actors, you're also dependent on so many decisions and so many people to make the right opportunity come at the right time with the right people. To make that combination sometimes is very difficult. So I try to keep it simple in my head, focusing on just doing good work, and it has worked so far for me. So just hoping that, you know, it will continue to work for me.
And that wonderful baritone voice that you hear also helps.
Oh, yes.
ये बेस बहुत आसानी से आपको नहीं मिलेगी.
उसके लिए रियाज करना पड़ता है.
रियाज करना, रियाज से याद आया. कुछ तो. Just kidding, I'm kidding.
राधे यमन रजा खानी ताल.
अरे भाई.
Listen, do you sing? Do you actually sing?
I love it.
No?
Chitrangada, go ahead.
Okay. No, I just suddenly thought
He
like
does.
you also learned. You do?
He does. He's lying.
I'm a bathroom singer, but I can't really sing.
Okay, visualize a bathroom.
But on that note, no. Thank you so much. We're gonna try something. You know, some very, like you have shares and things in idioms in Hindi. तो बंगाली में नहीं ऐसे कुछ बागधाराज होते हैं, phrases होते हैं. Let's try and understand if the two of you will know what the meaning of it is. I'll say a few.
Okay.
कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. Fun. Okay. Let's try. Give it a shot. Okay. Ritwik will stay out of it.
Yes.
If you know it, you can tell the answer after they try guessing.
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope that I know them.
পুজো ঘরে কে আমি কলা খাইনি. Actually, sentence will you have to explain what this means पहले. পুজো ঘরে কে আমি কলা খাইনি. For example, I'm telling him, हाँ तुम्हारे बातों से तो लगता है पूजो घरे के আমি কলা খাইনি वाला situation है.
पहली बार when you said it,
পুজো ঘরে কে পুজোর ঘরে কে আমি কলা খাইনি.
पूजा घर आके खाओ, मैं कल खाऊंगी. पता नहीं मुझे तो Welcome. What do you think?
But the you let's give it a shot na.
Say it again.
পুজোর ঘরে কে আমি কলা খাইনি.
पूजा करके मैं कल
This is
खाना
also she was in Bob Biswas, so you have to give second attempt. Come on, try hard. You are almost Bengali. You're almost there now.
पूजा करके मैं ये तो वो बात हो गई कि जब तक पूजा नहीं की तब तक खाना कैसे खाएंगे?
Oh no.
अच्छा खाना और
I don't know.
पूजा का कोई
अबे
relation नहीं है।
बंगाली इंडियंस में खाना आ ही जाता है, हम तो खाते पीते करके
इसलिए खाना डाला था।
No, I can translate.
Reveal it.
I can translate it, but I do not know.
You
what-
have
I will tell you the meaning.
पूजो घर इज जहाँ मंदिर होती है बेसिकली, जो मतलब पूजा करने वाला
पूजा,
घर, ठीक है। तो मंदिर में कौन है, मैंने केले नहीं खाए।
So what does it mean?
Oh,
कि जब तुम किसी चोर के दाढ़ी में तिनका,
okay, okay.
something similar,
Okay.
कि तुमने पूछा किसी को, कोई you're asking पूजा घर है के, वहां से आ जाए, मैंने तो केले नहीं खाए,
Like
It's like
that.
अच्छा,
कि
okay.
पहले ही तुम
अच्छा,
पकड़े
अच्छा,
जाते हो in that sense.
I thought
Very
we were talking
tough,
about
yeah.
some girl named Pooja. मैं तब से रोज
Very
वहाँ
tough,
पे
no?
पूजा आज तो खा ले, कल
चलो
मैं खाऊंगा।
एक और last easy, I'll have to wrap. I'm having too much fun, but I'll wrap it. This is the last one. Last one more.
Yeah, okay, one more.
भाजा माचटी उल्टे खेते जाने ना. भाजा माचटी. Pause.
मछली की भाजी।
उल्टो खेते जानी ना. उल्टो खेते जाने ना. भाजा माचटी उल्टो खेते जाने ना.
उल्टे पैर नहीं जाएगी।
Cute. I like the creative attempt.
भाजा
Cute.
माच टी,
भाजा माचटी दिमाग
हाँ, something to do with.
उल्टो खेते जाने ना।
मेरा दिमाग
उल्टा चल
नहीं करता।
जाएगा।
हाँ, उल्टा चल जाएगा, something like that.
गलत जवाब.
अगर मेरा
तो
दिमाग
मैं आपको
खाया
translation
तो
आप
मैं
बताओ,
उल्टा
आप
चल
बताओ।
जाएगा।
मुहावरा क्या है, even I don't know।
Damn,
Okay,
this
I'll
is
ट्रांसलेशन
tough.
है तली हुई मछली उल्टा नहीं खा पाता।
यार मैंने तली मछली तो मैं पहुंचा था, लेकिन उसको तल नहीं पाया।
उल्टी नहीं खा
So,
सकते।
नहीं खा।
I'll tell you what is
Okay.
this. So the saying is, I'll थोड़ा change है in what is saying. भाजा माचटी, right? तो जो फ्राई करते हो ना, उल्टे खेते पार में ना, या उल्टे खेते जाने ना. इसका मतलब क्या बोल रहे
सर्व
कि उसको उल्टा करके ये बंदा नहीं खा सकता. I'll tell you what it means. Let's say ऋतिक मुझे बोल रहा है कि अब मुझे नहीं, I तो don't know anything, whatever. So I'll say वाह वाह वाह, देखा भाजा माचटी उल्टे खेते जाने ना. एक्टिंग ऐसे करता है कि उसको पता ही नहीं है कुछ कि भाजा माचटी मैं तो उल्टा करके भी नहीं खा सकता.
अच्छा।
It's like that.
बट आप उल्टी
That's
करके नहीं खा
hardcore,
सकते
huh?
क्या तली हुई मछली?
I don't know।
This is hardcore.
तली हुई मछली आप
My
उल्टी करके
mother
नहीं खा सकते
actually
क्या?
मम्मी ताने देती है ना,
वही तो
इसलिए
ताना
मैं
मार रहे हैं।
Yeah.
let's understand, catch the phrase with
Catch the phrase.
हार गए हम लोग।
But ऐसे
Lovely,
ऐसे
yeah.
अरे
I
यार
will call you
आप
Pinky.
ये हार गई.
I'm sorry, I'm going to take 2 more minutes। ऐसे बहुत सारे मुहावरे एक्चुअली बहुत सारे डायलॉग्स में हमारे शो में, जिसमें से एक मैं
बोलो।
और आप कोशिश कीजिए,
Okay.
आपको आ ही जाएगी मोस्टली,
Done.
बट आप लोग भी ट्राई कीजिए।
नहीं,
ठीक
नहीं
है?
भाई.
उसमें एक लाइन है जो बुम्बादा कहते हैं कि कान टान ले माथाओ आशबे।
हाँ, I know what it means. Okay, come.
फिर से बोलना।
कान टान ले माथाओ आशबे।
कान से
कान
दिमाग से
बचा
सुन।
ले।
So cute. Okay, Chitrangada go first. Then Adil, hold on.
Okay.
So, what if you get it right?
हाँ.
कान
You know this, क्या?
टान ले।
Are you cheating?
माथाओ आशबे।
Chitrangada, see it the way he's saying it. कान मतलब
कान बचा लो नहीं तो
सुनो क्या बोल रहा है. कान टान
टान
ले.
ले
कान शार्प कर लो।
Okay.
माथाओ आशबे।
ठंडे दिमाग से सुनो, सोचो और कान
खोल
से
लो।
सुनो,
अच्छा,
कान
ठीक
खोल
है.
लो।
हाँ.
Correct.
ठीक है. Okay, this is yours. What is your version?
सीधा लगे?
कान टान ले माथाओ आशबे।
कान खोल के is it right so far? नहीं।
नहीं, you can ask. पहले बोलो
अच्छा,
पूरा
okay.
फिर. हाँ. विचार.
कान से नहीं दिमाग से सुनो।
कान से सुनो, दिमाग से नहीं।
नहीं.
ठंडे दिमाग से सोचो।
कि सिर्फ कान से मत सुनो, दिमाग से सोचो।
सो इट्स ट्रांसलेशन इज कान खींचोगे तो सर भी आएगा। कान खींचोगे तो सर भी आएगा।
अच्छा।
कान टान ले
And how do you
माथाओ
use
आशबे।
it?
So yes, so I'm assuming what it means is, अगर इसी सिचुएशन में आपको लगता है कि आप थोड़ा सा घुस रहे हो ना, वो पूरा तरीके से आप घुसने वाले हो उसमें. It can be taken in any context. कि कान टान ले माथा राज में. आपको लग रहा है कि आप सब कान खींच रहे हो ना, पर उसका सर्वर सब अंदर आ रहा है. तो you see what you're doing.
आपको जैसे इन शोज कॉन्टेक्स्ट
face
अगर
consequence-
आपको लग रहा है कि यू आर प्लेइंग विद द छोटा खिलाड़ी, तो
हाँ.
छोटे खिलाड़ी को
पर
खींचोगे तो
आएंगे.
पूरा
पीछे
सिस्टम
माथा
आएगा।
आएगा।
System पूरा आएगा. Like what it's trying to say is to be careful of what you're doing. You're thinking you're just playing,
Okay,
but it's fire.
But that's
It's like that. I got it right. na?
Yes, absolutely.
This is
right.
Uno
Your mom's
reverse
done a
of
good
हाथी
job,
निकल
huh?
गया पूंछ अटक।
Thank you once again. It's been so much fun and
Thank
so
you.
good, you guys, all of you. Thank you once
Thank
again.
you.
May the Bengal chapter continue and continue. I'd like to see so much more.
Thank you.
Thank you
so
once again.
much.
Lots of love.
Lovely.
Thank you.